In this tutorial, we're going to be going over LeetCode 268, missing number. Now, what this question is saying is, given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Now, you can see here it's giving us 3, 0, 1, and the output is 2, as 2 would be the missing number here. Now, in this case, we have 0, 1, where 2 would be the missing number. In the third case, we have 9, 6, 4, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 0, 1. In this case, 8 would be the missing number. Now, to solve the missing number problem, what we can do is we can use the sum of natural numbers, the formula I'll put here on screen. And we'll now get over into the coding section. You can see based on the formula, we're going to need an n. So in this case, n is going to be the length of nums. So here we have 3, 0, 1. So this length will be 3. Now we'll start writing our formula. So we're going to do return n times n plus 1. We're going to do floor division and then 2. Now, this is the formula that you've seen on screen, but in this case, since we're trying to find the missing number and not the sum of all the numbers, we can do minus sum nums. And essentially what this will do is say, in this case, we have 3, 0, 1. We know the length is 3, so this is going to be 3 times 4, floor division 2, so it'll come out to 6. Now, when we subtract out the sum of numbers now, which is going to be 4, 6 minus 4 is going to return us 2, the missing number. Now we'll run this to test, and you can see it's working. In this case, we'll have the same thing where the length is now going to be 2. So we'll have 2 times 3, 6, floor division 2, which will leave us with 3 minus sum of nums, 1, which will once again give us 2. Now I hope that intuitively makes sense, and we'll now submit. We can see here that this answer beats 100% in terms of runtime and 60% in terms of memory. Now that's how you can do LeetCode 268, missing number. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below or any other problems you'd like to see me solve, and I hope that helps.